All right, why sign up with Save Club and how do you get people to sign up? All right, first you got to wear kind of purple pink and find yourself a pink mama hat. Once you have both of these beautiful things, $6 shirt from Walmart. This is a one-of-a-kind hat that my friend made. It's my secret sauce. It's like KFC. What's the secret to that beautiful chicken yum yum? What's it called? The skin? Isn't that darn good? You eat it. You don't even know if it really is chicken. It could be hippopotamus, but you eat it because the secret, shh, don't tell anyone. It's herbs and spices, I heard. Okay. Well, anyway, thanks. I feel like the purple people eater. Okay. Or I feel pretty in pink, depending if you're colorblind or not. But anyway, thanks for watching my videos. Let's talk about what's a good way to make things kind of simple and cool when it comes to just asking people kindly, sign up in Save Club. I'm going to come over there and I'm going to beat your and smack and kick that livet. All right. How do you get people to sign up without begging or pleading or, I don't know, threatening or who knows what? But you got to make things kind of simple, in my opinion. And what I mean by that is if you can just invite people to click a link and you're done, oh man, I think you just hit a home run, a grand slam. Because if they can click that link and it goes to a video already produced, in this case by Charles Mao, all right, let our founder do all the heavy work for you. I have a lot of success by just chatting at a webcam like this. If I don't even do any other form of advertising, I can still make money just by doing a video where I talk calmly, hopefully in a manner that makes sense, share my screen, maybe teach you guys some things that I think are valuable, and then just at the end of the day, I always do the same thing, invite you to a link. Okay? Please do that. Don't overcomplicate this. But who do I share the link with? Obviously, the friends and the family. I know you're going to do. Most people in 2025 go, it's almost better to don't ask your friends or family to look into it, but maybe have them hear what you're doing. A little gossip, little eavesdropping going, Cory, what are you doing? You're wearing a pink mama hat and it seems like you're doing some things on video. You're inviting people to click something, to watch something. What are you doing? Now, if they ask me, even if it's my mom or it's a family member or a friend, I like if they ask me because then I go, well, look, I don't want to be that friend, that relative that wants to beg you to join. But you know what? This is what I do. And it's simple. Click ilovesaveclub.com. And even your friends, your family, even if you're at a Christmas party, there's nothing worse than that one person. And that might be you, because it used to be me. If I had something to promote, I couldn't wait to pretend to, well, how's the weather? How's your kids doing? Oh, that's just great. Do you want to save some money and join a thing called Save Club? It's like, I want to choke myself and put Band-Aid or duct tape over my own mouth. Okay, there's nothing worse than pretending to give a rat's ass. And I always laugh. I always see training on how, if you're on Facebook or you're, bait and switch. Like if I have a video like this and, shocking. Okay. Oh my God. I can't believe my head fell off and I scotch taped it back on. And then you click it and I go, God, thanks to Save Club, when my head got chopped off, I found tape for sale for 10% off at Walmart. And now look, if you do that, great. It's almost like a Saturday Night Live skit. I get it. But you don't have to fake to make Save Club. Don't be embarrassed. All right. Go and look at all the videos. And I can guarantee you this. If someone says this is a scam or some type of pyramid thing, they don't even have enough money to join to even look into Save Club. Most scam videos, they're there to make you nervous and you watch it. And 90% of the time, that so-called expert is going to say, well, due to my research, this seems to be the legit thing. And then go to their legit thing or look them up on Facebook or their YouTube channel, and you'll see every 30 days they're in a new opportunity because they're piss broke. They're piss broke. Okay? This is a work in progress. This is 2 years of what you're seeing now. I bought this $6 shirt at Walmart and I cut the sleeves off. This hat, you know what? I think I kind of traded. Okay? everything on my walls. Okay. I just earned some money and went and bought, some nails and fishing line and hung some things. I went to Walmart, bought that sexy mini fridge off to the left of your screen there. Can you see that? That was like 100, 150. I don't even remember what I paid. But you know what? I just like to sell things. And if I think they're awesome and they make a difference in my life, I have no problem saying, guys, I hope you like what I did, what I just bought. I hope you like the opportunity that I just joined. And in this case, it's Save Club. Okay, the people behind it, I'm a big fan of, especially when I found out who's behind it. High five. We're only going to the top with Save Club too. Okay, I have no doubt, but I do have, is it faith or is it certainty? I got my certainty because I had a little bit of faith to join a company called Live Good. Some of the products are on my mini fridge there. Super Red, Super Greens, super badass orgasmic coffee that just makes me go like this in the morning. Okay. But over the last couple of years, I learned a lot from the infrastructure, the ownership. I met thousands of people, all right, all over the world. Signed up almost 400 or 500. No, I signed up over 400 people just below me. Okay, and they've signed up people and so on and so on. I got a nice paycheck that comes in from that company each month, actually each week. Okay, and with Save Club, we get paid every Friday. So wonder if you do. Let's just say, what if? Wonder if you join Save Club. You got $60 right now, plus $19.97. $80 minus 3 pennies. If you got it, do it. Just sign up now, please. Don't overanalyze. Don't go looking at more scam videos of people that don't even have the balls to join to look and see what this is about. Okay? There's some really good people that have already joined. People that can that can really generate nice teams of people. There's people all over the world that have generated not only thousands and hundreds of thousands, but I recognize some of them that have made millions online. And I do like to see what they do. Okay, if someone's made $1 million online, especially recently, like in 2023, 24, 25, after coronavirus or before or maybe during, those people, they did the work. They somehow got interesting or compelling, or they found something that they usually can just invite you or me to click a link to watch the opportunity. That's it. They don't waste their time on the phone with me. I don't text them. I don't email them. I don't do nothing. I just sit back and go, what you got cooking? Click it. I click, I watch a video, I'm in or out. That's what I do now. Not only just with Save Club, not only with Live Good, but multiple other businesses. I do the same thing. And guess what? They all complement each other and they all earn money. If you told me I had 8 or 9 incomes in one 30-day period, or just every week, I'd laugh and go, well, how the hell are you going to get that many jobs? Just one's a bitch. Okay? I'm telling you straight up, if you find an opportunity that's juicy and yummy, and you can just simply invite someone to go click something to watch a video and just leave it alone, guys, that just took me, 6-7 seconds? If I say I love saveclub.com, okay, if you can remember that, great. I love saveclub.com. Who do you love? You love Save Club? Not yet. You got to look into it. You got to join it. Maybe make some of this. Save some money too. You're going to probably start loving it like myself. Okay? So, what I did, yeah, I own that. That's my company. It's kind of sexy, isn't it? You like my little card? Vistaprint, $20 for that card. I love saveclub.com. I paid $12.17 out the door. And guess what? I called GoDaddy. I said, hey, boys. Hey, girls. How you doing? I want you to forward I love saveclub.com to this right here, that link, because that's my custom link that I got for $60. Okay? This YouTube video is Charles Mao. He is our founder, and he's badass. And he's got a cool name, Charles Mao. I like to call him Chuckles, though. And after people watch this YouTube video of Charles, if you want more information, fill this out and click that orange button. You get 1 email per day for 30 days. You don't want to see him again, just unsubscribe, goodbye. If you want to join, same process, fill this out, hit that orange button, and you're going to get an email from Save Club. Open it up and join. Get a username, password. All right, configure your bank or cryptocurrency, believe it or not, with e-wallet. All right, it's up to you how you want to get paid, but we get paid every Friday. Okay, and if you want to buy something, go ahead. Like, how about a monthly membership for $19.97? If you want to join for the year, your VIP status, and guess what? You earn bigger commissions. Okay, so if you have an extra couple $100, go ahead and join for the year. Get the VIP status. It is definitely the way to go. And if you don't have it right now, let's say you save up in the next month or two, please upgrade. I want you to earn more commissions based on the same amount of work as you're doing. Okay? To earn more money with this company, you just need VIP status. And that's to have a year membership versus 1 month. But do what your budget tells you to do. Do what your stomach says. Okay? I'm not going anywhere. All right? I'm not greedy on the income. I'm earning money right now real nicely with my other businesses and with this one. But I'm never going to make someone feel uncomfortable by saying, oh, you got to join for a year. Go max out your credit card. Go break open that piggy bank. Just do what makes you feel good. And then let's find out a certain thing, maybe a video like this. Maybe you don't mind typing people or asking people something. Maybe you don't mind making $20 of business cards and just hand them out when you can. Okay? Maybe you just need a couple signups per week, maybe per month. Okay? But if you get real good at just producing content where people are interested, and what you do is you find out where people come to you. All right? Can you believe people come to a purple, people-eating, pretty and pink guy with a mama hat? Do you think I'm the only one that looks like this in Save Club? You bet your sweet ass. Who else has Hot Wheels and Barbies and Kiss stuff and mini fridges with orgasmic coffee on top? I do. Am I going to like whip all this stuff down and make my walls look like I'm at a law firm and I'm going to dress up and look like I'm some Harvard grad that just knows everything about education and protein and how to save money? Maybe I don't, but you know what? I make pretty good pay every 30 days, and I'm pretty happy about that. And I got kicked out of high school because I accidentally became a father very young, and I knew how to change butts, diaper butts, all right, before even Huggies and all those awesome baby wipes were invented. Oh, once those baby wipes are invented, thank you. I need to find out whoever invented the baby wipe. I need to send them, I don't know, maybe some orgasmic coffee or maybe one of my Lego kits. But I had to grow up fast, guys. I didn't get the education, but I'm street smart. Street smart as a mofo. All right, I'm right there, guys. All right, if we're going across the ocean in the Titanic, I'm turning that wheel. We are definitely getting to New York safe and sound. If we're stuck on an island with Tom Hanks with a soccer ball, I'm going to find out how to blow the soccer ball up. We're going to go ahead and find a net. We're going to have volleyball. And somehow we're going to get a crowd of hot girls serving us ice cold beers. And we even might have Chippendale dancers for the ladies doing hula hoo. Okay. All right. I like being street smart. Okay. And I'm very motivated. Okay. I love to win. I love to be successful. I don't care if I'm in a crayon coloring contest or I don't know, maybe a volleyball contest, but I like to do the best I can. Okay. And what you got to do is ask yourself, if I do join Save Club, can I afford it? Do I have $80? Do I have a couple $100? If you do, great, come aboard. But you got to have the time. I'm more worried about the time, not the money. No matter what, you're going to have the money to join. Okay? I'm going to be making anywhere from 3 to 5 to 7 videos similar like this per day. Thousands. Okay? Teaching type videos, shooting the crap type videos like this, webinar videos. I just want you to know what I look like, what I sound like, my humor. The more that you feel like you know me and get comfortable, I just hope you trust that when I say, look, this seems to work for me, that's all I can do is show you what I do. Okay? I never like say, do this, or it's just hellfire. But the only difference between this time frame and my other businesses is it is Cinco de Mayo right now. Okay? That's May 5th. Now, June 1st, which is in about 25 days or so, this company is going to go ready, set, go. The world's going to know about Save Club. Okay? We're going to have 1 to 2 million people, businesses, services worldwide. And yes, every day, usually from my Asian peeps. Are we going to be in Singapore, Philippines, China? How about over in Africa? How about down below to Brazil or Australia? Okay? Don't worry, guys. Listening to Charles, our founder, every week he's adding more and more businesses, because the more businesses we have in our Save Club little safe little room where we just sit there and go, oh my God, there's 2 million opportunities to save money. What's the chance that you're going to save just in your local area? Put in your zip code. It'll show you local businesses. Okay? Walmart, which is massive here where I live. My friend's tanning salon. There's a couple car washes I go to. There's food places, about 4 to 5 to 6 food places that I go to every month. Okay. And I just found Vistaprint where I get my, what do they call, business cards. Okay. And they're just popping up left and right. And all I got to do is I'm already in Save Club. So I click the savings thing. It says, do you want to print out a coupon for it? Because some people just want to have a printout, piece of paper. So if they go to that business, like let's say the car wash I go to, I just have it printed out, QR code thing, the scan thing. Hey guys, looks like I can save $7 per month on my wash. They're like, okay, boom. Or they just hold it up on their cell. I'd say 90, probably 5% of the world, they like to just do everything on cell phone now. But if you're old school, you can actually print out the coupon or the opportunity to save as well. But I think you're going to get real good at just popping it up. It's on your screen. Boom. Cha-chang. Save some moolah. Okay. But you got to have time to learn how to do a couple things. Okay. Like promote. Sounds good, doesn't it? You got to learn how to promote. You got to just invite people to click a link. Okay. Don't overestimate. Don't overanalyze. Don't get, is it like that paralyzed? You're like analyzing, you're paralyzing, you're just circumcising, you're doing weird stuff. I mean, it's just, you got scissors out, you start cutting your hair and body part. I mean, don't get caught up in the muck. Just get good at inviting people to your link that you get. The website's built. All of the opportunity is already there. There's thousands of people that are signing up. But if you sign up now, before June 1st, you have a darn good, and this is how I kind of look at it. When you have a new opportunity as explosive as Save Club, you can sign up people across the street and maybe little sections of your city. And that city, with duplication, all of a sudden you get regions. You might even get a whole country, maybe half a state. Okay? I mean, it's amazing the opportunity of getting not only thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of people might sign up underneath you because you signed up in the beginning of a pre-launch. That's exactly what we're doing right now the next 3 weeks. Okay, so I always like to chill on my videos and say, guys, just sign up when your belly feels like you can afford it, you feel comfortable, you've maybe talked it over with your wife, your pet hamster, your giraffe, I don't know. But anyway, in this case, please do the best research you can about me, about the opportunity. If you're going to watch scam videos and all that crap on YouTube, they're all fake. We're too new to get any real reviews other than us that have already joined. Okay, I'm number 50 almost on signups. I'm number 16 in the world right now on the leaderboard. And it's because I know what I'm doing. I love the back office. I know who put this deal together. Okay, and all you can do is just trust me when I say this is a legit opportunity. But you really need to join now, guys. Okay, you could be watching this video 1, 2, 3 years in my future. But if you're watching this within a day of May 5th, Cinco de Mayo, 5/5 of 25, please just look into this and then join. We'll figure it out. Have faith. Get $80. You're going to get 3 pennies back. Let's get you in for the month. You got your $19.97 paid and that one time. We just need $60 right now, guys, to get your website, your capture page, everything in turnkey mode. You're going to have a link, and then we're going to get real good at how you can just invite people to that link to click to watch the video of Charles Mal. Done. Done. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you for the last 20 minutes. I love doing these little sessions and stuff. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. I think that if you watch me regularly, do my 3 to 5 to 7 videos a day, I think you'll give it a couple days. You'll get real comfortable with what's best for you. Okay. I'm on Facebook. I'm easy to find. Just inbox me there. And let me show you my business card. Sometimes if you just see the business card, it's easier. You can just see my email address. It's my name. All right. I bought this 100 years ago. Cory@CoryDraper.com. Okay. All right, guys. I sure appreciate you. High five. All right. Let's save some money and then let's earn some money too. There ain't nothing wrong with that. Okay. All right. Have a kick-ass day. I need a drink. Okay. Have a good one, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye. Laryngitis, frog in my throat, that ribbit.